Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
So, Mahadevana Gata Sapantha. We can learn Krishna consciousness perfectly well if we follow the Mahajans. Mahajans is great personality who are devotees of the Lord. They are called Mahajans. Jana means person. Just like in ordinary way in India, a person is called Mahajan who is very rich. So this Mahajan means one who is rich in devotion and service. He is called Mahajan. Mahajana Jaina Gatasya Pantha. So you have got Ambarish Maharaj, you have got Prahlad Maharaj. There are many, many kings, Yudhishthira Maharaj, Parikshit Maharaj. They are Rajarshi. So Krishna consciousness actually, it is meant for very great personalities. Imam Vivasati Yugam Prattavana Hamambayam Vimashan Manavipraho Manuvithakavindra Evam Paramprakatam Imam Rajarishayo Vidu. Actually, Shastra is not for the lower class, for highly learned Brahmanas and highly elevated Kshatriyas. And the Vaishyas and the Shudras, they are not expected to become very learned in Shastra, but being directed by proper Brahmana and Kshatriya, they are also perfect. The first perfect class, Munayo, as it is said, Sattvaita Tanavatayu Munayo. Great sages, generally, great sages mean Brahmanas, Vaishnavas. They are situated on the Sattvagun by devotion and service. Rajastamagun cannot touch Nasta Prayesu Abhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Siyoya. Say Bhadra and Abhadra, good and bad. So the Rajagun and Tamagun is bad, and Sattvagun is good. If we are situated, as it is said, Sattvaitatanagatayo, if we are always situated on this Sattvagun, then everything is clear to you. Sattvagun means prakash. Everything is clear, full knowledge. And Rajagun is not clear. The example is given just like wood. There is fire. But the first symptom of fire, wood, you will find smoke. When you set fire in the wood, first comes smoke. So, smoke First of all wood, then smoke, then fire. And from fire, when you engage with fire, for fire sacrifice, that is the ultimate. Everything coming from the same source. From earth, the wood is coming. From wood, the smoke is coming. From smoke, the fire is coming. And fire, when engaged in fire sacrifice, saha, then it is proper use of fire. If one stays in the wood platform, that is completely forgetful. When one stays in the smoke platform, there is little life. When one is staying in fire platform, there is full life, and when the life is engaged in Krishna's service, there is purpose. We have to understand that.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna